Amano Pioneer Eclipse would like to say thank you for expressing an interest in our new PowerGlide battery burnisher and the PowerGlide Express battery burnisher. Both of these machines are designed to help you reduce the labor cost of taking care of your floors. Both machines have a very high productivity rate of 20 to 23,000 square feet per hour, depending on your use of either the 24-inch or the 28-inch model. Our PowerGlide Express has a 2-hour runtime. The PowerGlide has a runtime of 4 hours. This extended runtime allows you to finish the job without having to stop and recharge the batteries. There are a few other important features that I would like to bring to your attention. Our machines have dust collection systems and onboard battery chargers. Both are convenient and help to save your time. Our machines also have a great wedge-shaped profile design. This is extremely important from an operator's standpoint in that it provides great visibility while using the machine no matter the height of the operator. Just like all our Amano Pioneer Eclipse equipment, these machines are constructed with high-quality materials and are built to last. Both have rotationally molded bodies and heavy-gauge steel chassis that are covered by a 5-year warranty. In addition, both the PowerGlide and PowerGlide Express burnishers have a 3-year warranty on parts and labor for the rest of the machine. Let's take a closer look at these machines, shall we? The dust collection box is mounted right here on the front of the machine for easy access by the operator. To empty, simply remove these 2 latches and the dust collection box slides right out. The dust collection box also has a filter on the front that comes out easily as well. To clean, simply wash with water or use a vacuum cleaner to pull out any dust and debris. Slide it back into place, lock it, and you're ready to go. To change a pad on most burnishers, you have to reach under the machine, but with the PowerGlide and PowerGlide Express, this is much easier. To access the pad, you just lift up on the front end of the deck and lock it into place. Now you have complete visibility of the pad and can inspect it to see if it is dirty or needs replacing. To change the pad, simply unscrew the center lock, remove it from the pad driver, and replace with a fresh pad. Behind the pad, you will find a high-impact resistant plastic pad driver. It's flexible, not rigid, so that it does not bend or warp, making it last a longer period of time. The flexibility also prevents burning of the floor on high spots. Now you're ready to secure the shroud back in place. Raise the locking lever, set the shroud down, and you're ready to go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the operator controls and the instrument panel. The PowerGlide and the PowerGlide Express have similar control panels. One difference is that the Express has 2 panel sections and the PowerGlide has only 1. One other difference is that on the PowerGlide, the forward and reverse control switch is on the dash. On the PowerGlide Express, the forward and reverse are integrated into the motion control handle. To operate, push the motion control handle forward for forward speed and pull back for reverse speed. The master key switch turns the machine on and off and will also lock the machine for safety purposes when not in use. Both machines have an emergency stop button. By pushing this button, the entire machine shuts down and stops immediately. Here's the pad pressure indicator gauge. The gauge is color-coded: light green, dark green, orange, and red. The darker the shade of green, the higher the pad pressure. The orange and red areas indicate too much pad pressure. Both machines have a multiple display indicator, or MDI. The MDI is a multifunction display that indicates hours of operation, alarm codes, and state of battery from green, full charge, to red, needs charging. When the batteries reach 20% charge level, the machine will shut off the burnish motor, but will still allow the operator to drive to a charging station. There is a switch for raising and lowering the burnishing deck on both machines. The PowerGlide has an optional manual handle for lowering and raising the burnishing deck. There is also a switch to turn the burnishing pad on and off. The accelerator is in the handle grip of the PowerGlide machine. The more you twist the throttle grip, the faster the machine will go, similar to a motorcycle. Below the handles we have the pad pressure adjustment level. The machine has 3 positions, light, medium, and heavy, to give you the option of changing the pad pressure. This is extremely important for uneven floors, floors with freshly applied coating, or floors that have high traffic. There is a smart charger on both machines. On the PowerGlide, you see it here on the back of the machine. On the PowerGlide Express, the smart charger is under the hood. The smart charger has a 3-digit display that shows the status of the batteries while the machine is being charged. Above this are 3 LED colored lights. The first is red and indicates the charging cycle has just begun. The second is yellow, which tells you charging is in the final stage. The third is green. Green indicates that the charge is complete and the machine is ready to be operated. Lastly, I would like to point out the brake release lever. Simply pull the lever out to release the brake in order to move the burnisher without power. For your safety, the brake should always be engaged while the burnisher is in use. This concludes our overview of the PowerGlide and PowerGlide Express battery burnishers. Our battery burnishers are quiet, have long run times, terrific dust collection systems, and onboard smart battery chargers. I think you'll agree it's worth taking a closer look. For more information, ask your local Amano Pioneer Eclipse distributor or call Amano Pioneer Eclipse at 1-336-372-8080 or 1-800-367-3550 to arrange for a demonstration at your facility in the near future.